This is objective question of redemption of debentures. Debentures can be redeemed by dash. Issue of check, transfer of fixed assets, transfer of investment, endorsement of bills of exchange. First answer is right, issue of check. Second, to provide funds for redemption, a company may dash. Create a sinking fund, create a redemption fund, remain inactive, open new bank account. Answer is A, create the sinking fund. Number 3, uncollected redemption money should be shown as dash. Answer is loan. A, loan. Fourth, the forms of redemption of debentures are specified at the time of dash. Answer is issue of debentures. Fifth, interest on investment representing sinking fund should be credited to dash. Answer is B, sinking fund account. Whatever interest you will get on investment, you remember debenture redemption investment, that is nothing but sinking fund, and whatever interest you earn after investing into outside securities, that interest will be credited to sinking fund, that is debenture redemption investment account. So answer is B, sinking fund account. Number 6, after redemption of debentures, balance in sinking fund should be transferred to dash. Balance in sinking fund, that means after making tally of sinking fund debit and credit, you will get a balance that will be transferred to general reserve. DRR account debit to general reserve. Okay. Next, 7 number, Companies Act requires creation of dash by a company issuing debentures. You have to create debenture redemption reserve. Number 8, Reliance issued 500 debentures of ₹100 each. Holders of these debentures have an option to convert their holding to equity shares. That means 500 debentures we can convert into equity shares of 100 each at a premium of 25 at any time within 3 years from the date of issue. The number of equity shares to be issued for conversion is dash. First, calculate the value of debenture 500 into 100, that is 50,000. Okay, 50,000 divided by 125. Price of equity share, face value plus premium. 100 plus 25, 125. So 50,000 divided by 125. $400 shares. Answer is B. B, 400 shares. 50,000 nominal value of debentures or redemption value of debentures divided by face value plus premium of equity share. That is 400 shares. Number 9, Kavita Limited issued 50,000 8% debentures of ₹10 each at par, which are redeemable after 5 years at a premium of 20%. The amount of loss on redemption of debenture to be written off every year is dash. The amount of loss on redemption of debentures to be written off every year is dash. Loss on redemption is 20%. That is security premium, which is paid at the time of redemption. पहले आपको 5 लाख निकालना है, नॉमिनल वैल्यू 50,000 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 5 लाख आएगा, उसके ऊपर 20% 1 लाख। 1 लाख को अगर आप एवरी ईयर रिडीम करोगे, अमाउंट ऑफ लॉस ऑन रिडम्पशन आपका यहाँ पे अमाउंट है 1 लाख। अगर आप 5 ईयर्स में इसको राइट ऑफ करोगे तो इसका अमाउंट आएगा 20,000। आंसर इज सी, 1 लाख प्रीमियम जो आपको पे करना है लॉस ऑन रिडम्पशन, दैट इज प्रीमियम पेड 1 लाख। 1 lakh divided by 5 years, that is 20,000. Debentures may be dash. Debentures may be secured, unsecured, redeemable. All of the above is the answer. Answer is D. 10th ka D. 11th, interest on sinking fund investment is credited to 11th A sinking fund account. Loss on sale of sinking fund investment is debited to dash. Profit and loss account, sinking fund investment account, sinking fund account, revenue reserve account. 12th का आंसर है C, sinking fund account. A company has to create DRR as per dash. Rule 18(7) of Companies Act 2014. This is correct. Rule 18 के हिसाब से DRR create करना है. 13th answer is A. 14, redemption out of capital can be made when profit is kept aside, provision is made, no profit is set aside for redemption, nil. Answer is 14C, when no profit is set aside for redemption. 15 number, interest on debenture is payable out of dash. Income, profit, capital, none of the above. 15th is A, that is income. Okay, payable out of income. Number 16, when debentures become due, the claim is credited to dash. 16 number is B. Answer is debenture holder account. Debenture become due, the claim is credited to debenture holder's account. What is the entry of due? Debenture account debit to debenture holder account. So due entry में debenture को debit करते हैं और debenture holder को credit करते हैं. अब जब debenture को credit होता है, यहाँ पे receive होता है, तो debenture holder account debit to bank account. So due की entry में debenture debit होता है और credit होता है debenture holder account. Number 17, premium on redemption of debentures appear in the balance sheet till the date of redemption on dash. Premium on redemption of debentures appears in the balance sheet till the date of redemption on liability side. Premium on redemption is a liability. Answer B is correct. Number 18, as per Companies Act 2013, the company is required to create debenture redemption reserve equal to dash. 18 का आंसर है B, 25% of the issue size. 25% of the issue size we have to create DRR. Number 19, debentures can be redeemed out of dash. Capital, proceeds of fresh issue, divisible profits, capital or profit. There are two methods to redeem the debentures. First method is redemption through capital and redemption through profits. So this is correct, D. Number 20. In case of redemption of debentures out of profits, the amount to be transferred to general reserve is equal to dash. Claim on redemption, premium on redemption, face value of debentures redeemed, none of the above. Answer is face value of debenture redeemed. DRR is dealt with a section dash 21A 71 subsection 4. 22. The Companies Act 2013 came into force with effect from dash 12/9/2013. A. 23. DRR must be created when a company redeems debentures out of capital, out of profits, by conversion, none of the above. DRR must be created when a company redeems debenture out of profits. Whenever we are giving money out of profits, we have to create DRR, then we have to pay to debenture holder at the time of redemption. So B is right answer. Question number 24. Transfer to DRR must be made dash. Transfer to DRR is made every year at the beginning of first year, at the end of the period after which debentures are to be redeemed. Number 4, all of the above. What is your answer? Every year you have to debit profit and loss appropriation account and credit DRR. That means you are creating DRR for redemption of money, redemption of debenture money, and you have to create this every year. First is correct, every year. Before redemption of debentures begins, DRR must be dash more than the amount of debenture liability, less than the amount of debenture liability, equal to the amount of debenture liability, none of the above. Answer is equal to the amount of debenture liability. What amount you have to pay on maturity? That is the DRR. Before redemption, you have to create DRR equal to the amount of debenture liability. Next is sinking fund. Sinking fund account for redemption of debenture is shown under dash. Sinking fund is nothing but a reserve. This is one kind of reserve and surplus. So answer is A. Question number 27. The annual set aside for redemption of debentures is equal to dash. Number 27. Answer is redemption claim into factor in sinking fund table. Number 28. On redemption of debentures by conversion into equity shares, the amount of transfer to GR, General Reserve, is dash. When you convert debenture into equity shares, what amount you will transfer to General Reserve? When you are converting debenture into equity share, that means there is no requirement of DRR, right? You will not create DRR because you are not giving money, you are giving shares in conversion of debenture. So what will be the answer? You will not create DRR and the DRR will not go to General Reserve at the end of the redemption. So answer is C, nil. Number 29. The company issuing debenture is required to create DRR if the maturity period is more than dash 10 months, 15 months, 18 months, and 24 months. Answer is C, 18 months. If your debenture is having a maturity more than 18 months, then you are supposed to create debenture redemption reserve. If it is less than 18 months, no need to create DRR. Number 30. A company may redeem debentures out of capital if the maturity period is less than 18 months, then the debenture will be paid out of capital. Number 31. Debentures can be redeemed by D. All of the above. 32. The claim of debenture holders on redemption is credited to debenture holders account. Claim of debenture holders on redemption is credited to debenture holders account. 33. Premium on redemption of debentures is premium adjusted from capital profit, adjusted from accumulated profit, not adjusted at all, none of the above. 33 is B, adjusted from accumulated profit. If you have accumulated security premium, you will adjust from security premium. If you have P&L, profit and loss account in the balance sheet, if you have profits, previous profits, you will adjust from that. If you don't have P&L, you have general reserve, you will adjust your premium which you have to pay for redemption, pay on redemption, that you will adjust from general reserve, P&L, or you can adjust from security premium itself. So adjustment from accumulated profit is the right answer. 34. For redemption of debentures, sinking fund is credited out of . Answer is current year profits. Next. 35. Premium on redemption of debentures till the date of redemption appears in the balance sheet on . Premium on redemption of debenture is a liability. So it will come on the liability side of balance sheet. 36. Profit or loss on sale of sinking fund investment is transferred to . Sinking fund account. It will go to sinking fund account. If you are getting profit, it will go to sinking fund. If you are getting loss on sale of outside securities, that will also go to sinking fund only. Sinking fund is nothing but debenture redemption investment account, which is 15% of nominal value of debenture. And that 15% is invested in outside securities. On that, you will get profit or loss on selling of those securities. That profit or loss will also go to the debenture redemption investment account, that is sinking fund account. Next is capital reserve. 37. Capital reserve is . Whether it is a current year profit, whether it is a past accumulated profit, capital profit, divisible profit. It is a capital profit. Capital reserve is a capital profit. 38. Debentures may be redeemed out of . Capital, profit, conversion into shares. These all three are the types: debenture redemption out of capital, debenture redemption out of profits, debenture redeemed by converting shares. All of the above is right answer. D. 39. Companies exempted from creation of DRR . Banking companies, financial institutions regulated by RBI listed companies. I think answer is D, A and B. Banking companies are exempt from DRR, and financial institutions regulated by RBI are also exempt for creating DRR. DRR shall be created out of dash divisible profits. Always you can create a DRR from the divisible profits, not from capital profit, not from revenue profit. DRR should be dash 25% of value of debentures issued. DRR आपको 25% of face value लेना है, that is nominal value of debentures. 42 investment of DRR should be dash 15% of nominal value of debentures maturing. A. 43 investment of DRR is to be made on dash day. 43 answer is on or before 30th day of April each year. 29th भी हो सकता है, 30 भी हो सकता है. On or before 30th day of April each year. In the case of partly convertible debentures, DRR shall be created in respect of dash. 44 is answer is A, non-convertible portion of debentures issued. In case of partly convertible debentures, DRR shall be created in respect of non-convertible portion, because convertible portion it doesn't require DRR. Shares, it will be converted into shares. Profit on redemption of debentures should be transferred to dash 45. Answer is capital reserve account. Whatever profits you will get on redeeming the debenture, that will be transferred to capital reserve. It is a capital profit not utilized for giving dividend. It is utilized, capital profit is utilized for giving bonus shares.